Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. I'm Moriah. Today I have Kate, our front office manager, and she's going to give you some tips on how to make your front desk visit go smooth and really, really easy, because here at Invictus, we have your back.
Yes, so whenever you come in for your first visit, make sure you bring your insurance card, your driver's license, your form of payment, and your new patient paperwork. We do have the new patient paperwork here that you can arrive early and fill it out here, but it helps a lot if you have it already filled out. We do have it on our website, so you can download it there. We can also mail you a copy if you
There's really no excuse. You
Exactly.
should just get it early.
Yeah.
Make it easier for everybody all around. And then we also have this sign that Kate is going to tell you about.
Yes, so whenever you come into the front desk, you'll see this sign directly ahead of you. Please make sure you wait at this sign until a member of the front office staff calls you forward. It's just to protect patient privacy, so that way, no one can hear your information and you can't hear anyone else's.
Great tips, Kate.
Thanks.
Well, we had fun making this. This is probably my favorite Tip Tuesday I've ever done, because Kate is just so funny. But tune in next week. We'll have some other great tips for you, but have a good week.